new banger for today. What's going on, my people? Forever Him, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Appreciate y'all for watching. Look, if you're new to Forever Him, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you will be updated every time I'm dropping bangers on the channel. Man, we always copping heat. We always trying to drop some bangers. So kicks came in. I'm like, let me go take my break right quick, and I had the shades on, so I was like, woo, this some heat. There's some heat. So again, appreciate y'all for watching. Let's get to it. STOCKX is one of my favorite places to go to get, legit sneakers. If I can't get the retail, unfortunately, I just don't be having no luck with retail. If I could get retail, I would get retail. Trust me, like, cause sometimes the resale would be horrible. But I got a pretty good price on these. These is 3 years old now, so these came out in 2023, and I'm super excited. I wanted these when these dropped, but I wasn't able to get them, and I could have had them, but I took a little break on sneaks, and yeah, I'm finally able to add them to the collection now. So yeah, shout out STOCKX, man. Can't wait to see what's in the box. Paper, STOCKX, they still sending these, so yeah, Doernbecher joint. Shout out to Collie. So she's age 11. She was diagnosed with a kidney transplant. She needed a kidney, and this is her design of the Nike Air Foamposite 1. So yeah, man, she has a dope story. Niggas like this should be able to get retail if you really want them, because they really support these children, and you know what I'm saying, and just everything that they represent, man. And so shout out to Collie for this dope creation. Got the freestyle sticker on the paper, freestyle design all over the brown paper or white paper. It's the kicks. Super dope. Check out both of these. Yes. As you see, STOCKX. Here go the sneaker. That's the back view. As you see, the back pull tab, it has the basketballs, because she loves basketball. It has also on the front pull tab, has basketballs. Sorry, I couldn't get that in view. And the dope thing that I like about these, kind of like the Golden State colorway as I look at them, but I love the stars and little sky kind of design all over the kick. Love the blue bottoms for sure. And what I really love is the white that transform when the sun hits it or it heats up. It transforms to yellow, so it turns into this yellow, like super crazy. And so here you have it. And this I don't even know how to pronounce that, but this is her in her language. As I watched the reviews and stuff on her, this is her language. I forgot the language that she speaks, but it says just do it in her language. It says just do it on the left shoe, and in her language, this means just do it. Super crazy. So I don't think I mentioned that. It says Collie with the Nike check, and it says it on both. Collie. So I thought that was super crazy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I can't wait to rock these for sure. Bottoms, just do it. Bottoms are these. Got her language, which means just do it. You feel me? With the Penny sign. Shout out to Penny, man. Penny Hardaway. Definitely one of my favorite ballers. Definitely support the Penny Hardaway brand with the Nike Foamposites. Shout out again to Collie. Just an amazing little girl. and she did a very good job on designing these. Shout out to Nike brand for these. You feel me? The Penny Hardaway Foamposites designed by Collie. Like, you feel me? So these were super hard. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Super dope. I can't wait to rock these. I ain't gonna lie. I've been waiting for these for so long. I can't wait to rock them. And the move. So again, shout out to Collie, Nike Air Foamposite ones. You feel me? Shout out to STOCKX, man, for the alley hoop. And yeah, y'all looking for legit sneakers and stuff like that, hey, go to STOCKX and all the rest of them that sell good sneakers. But STOCKX been having the best price so far on a lot of things, so that's what I be rocking with for now. Like, you feel me? Until I see better prices or something they might not have. But anyway, these are the Foamposite ones by Doernbecher by Collie. Shout out to her, man. But that's the video, my people. Appreciate y'all for watching. Again, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully you like this pickup. If you don't, I truly understand. But rock what you like. Nevertheless, hey man, to the next one. It's forever him.